Hello learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a new concept which is financial management, general meaning of finance and financial management. So let's start. In this video we are going to discuss about general meaning of financial management with the basic example, and in commerce there is a separate subject of financial management, and I think this video will helpful for all the students, so watch this video till the end. So the term finance is generally meaning that to take a loan or to give a loan to someone, and in general means the management of money. It includes all kind of activities like investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, etc. And these are the activities which are mainly include in the finance. And I think due to a pandemic situation, the term finance is used more, and government plan to make more finance scheme to common people, to farmers. And I think in future the role of finance become more wider. So there are three types of finance. So first is a personal finance. Personal finance means related to the person or individual in it, and it includes your income, your assets, your liability, your future plans, your investment. Everything which is related to a person or individual is called a personal finance. Second one is the corporate finance. Corporate finance is generally deals with how corporate firms manage their funding sources, how they taking their investment decision, how they manage their shareholders, and their value of shareholders. And the three main areas in corporate finance, which is capital budgeting, capital structure, and working capital. These three terms are mainly included in corporate financing, and we will discuss about these three terms in detail in my next video. And the last one is a public or government finance, which is include tax, expenses, budgeting, and debts that affect how a government pays for the service and it provides to the public, like how they manage these risks, how they manage these expenses, and how they manage debts with public welfare. So these are the three basic types of finance. Now come to a point which is a definition of financial management. We will discuss about the finance. So we can say that managing all kind of funds, that is called a financial management. But in definition we can say that planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the all kind of financial activities of an organization. Or generally it is concerned with the procurement and utilization of funds in a proper manner. And in financial activities deal with not only the utilization of fund, but also the assessing of needs for funds, raising required funds, capital budgeting, distribution of surplus, financial control, etc. And the term financial activities include all kind of activities which are related to the finance, like a tax, investing decision, dividend decisions. So these are the basic terms which include in financial activities. Let's take a simple example. Assume that you are planning to buy a new house, like आप अपना नया घर खरीदने का सोच रहे हैं. On mortgage loan you will be contributing around 80% of your salary in EMI. अगर आप mortgage loan ले रहे हो, गिरवी रख के कुछ लोन ले रहे हो, आप उसके अलावा आपको अपनी सैलरी का 80% जो है वो EMI निकालनी है अपनी सैलरी में से. अब आपको थिंक करना है कि आप अपनी 80% जो है EMI कैसे निकालोगे, क्योंकि आपने मोर्गेज लोन लिया है। आप अगर लोन कुछ गिरवी रख के अगर आप नया हाउस ख़रीदना चाहते हो तो ऑब्वियसली है कि वो चीज़ तो गिरवी है ही, और उसके साथ साथ आपको EMI भी पेमेंट करना है। सो आपको अपने जो भी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं एक्सटर्नल वगैरह जो भी, वो अपने कम करने पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि आपकी EMI भी निकलेगी उसी में से ही। सो अगर आप देखो 50% ऑफ योर सैलरी, like I take a simple example, like your 50% of your salary, assume that goes in your groceries and utilities, rent, etc., goes toward in these expenses, and 30% of your salary goes in your lifestyle expenses like shopping, dining, and etc., and 20% of your salary goes in your retirement planning. So you have to manage these three expenses, like if you are planning to taking a mortgage loan, then you have to manage all your expenses, all your 80% of your expenses from your salary, and 20%, and rest of the 20% you are saving. So you have to manage 60% from these expenses. You have to reduce your expenses in groceries and lifestyle expenses, and you have to reduce your retirement plan. So this is a simple example which is related to the financial management, how you can manage your expenses to taking a loan and to buy a new house. So it is clear that if 80% of your salary goes in EMI mortgage repayment, then you have to plan or optimize your all kind of expenses to payment your EMI. So now we can say that financial management is necessary in everywhere, in every business, in every kind of organization. Thank you for watching this video.